morning. Oh, there's this yellow, massive yellow thing in the sky. Oh, it comes and goes, but it's amazing. Gosh, yeah. Look, what am I doing? I thought I might try and do a live from my phone because it's a new feature from YouTube, so it's worth a try. I thought I'd give it a go. Yeah, I've not ever done this before, so bear with. I think it's going live. I'm steaming up my glasses. What a start. I can't see a thing. Obviously it must rely on internet connection. I've got a 4G though. 4G's active. I'll just go outside. Let's just go outside, see if it works. Maybe I need to move about a bit. Although I can't see the screen. Oh, dear. The Wheel of Doom. Me, filming, doing a live. No, yeah, you know. Ah, come on. Right, I'm going to walk about a bit. I'll see you in a minute. If it works, you'll know about it, because this one will be after, or this one, if the live works. I hope it does. I'll see you in a minute. I'll let you know. Well, it worked. There were slight issues. It kept buffering. So some of you might have watched it just now, yesterday, because this is going out tomorrow. And some of you said the picture was blurry a little bit, because it's all down to my internet connection. It was really lovely though. I absolutely loved that. That was amazing. And it was, because it was unscheduled, none of you knew. And so there was, you know, for that, you all managed, quite a few of you managed to come and say hello, which was absolutely amazing. Vonnie, Jacqueline Buse, Julie Bajwa, Julie Ballantyne, Hazel A. Oh, my memory. If there's any others, thanks so much for coming to say hello. That was absolutely lovely. Yeah, it only lasted nine odd minutes, but I was a bit worried about the buffering and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I need a coffee now because I'm really thirsty. You know, we've been talking a lot. Right, that was brilliant. That really was. Let's have a coffee. I've got lots of jobs to do, but I need a coffee. See you in a minute. Cool. Oh, this is the life. Oh, that was such good fun. It really was. Got the Bird app up. There'll always be a link to this app in the description on every vlog now, because so many of you really, you know, lots of you have it already, but if you don't and you're interested, just the link's in the description to the Google Play app, just so you get the right one, because there are kind of copycats that charge money and this is completely free and it's the best one ever. Oh, that was nice. So good. I'm not sure if you were able to see the Christmas tree in its full glory. It's just over there. I'll show you on this. All I've got is three birds so far: sparrow, robin, and wood pigeon. But they're the earlier, because it's getting on a little bit now, so they're kind of quietening down, I think. Or it's either that or it's because I'm talking. I'm not sure. Not sure which. Yeah. What am I doing today? Do you know what? I bought some courgettes to repot that I've sown at home via the Catherine's fantastic chitting method. I know you didn't invent it, but Catherine, you're the one who told me about it. So I'll always be forever grateful to you for that, because I absolutely love it. The germination rate is very high. I did do some sunflower seeds, really little ones, but they haven't germinated. So some stuff might not, but most of my stuff have. Absolutely amazing. And some are quicker than others. It all varies. So I do have the round courgettes that I had last year. I really like those. I do have some more courgette varieties, but I'm going to repot those today because there's 4. In fact, I'll show you. Easy if I just show you. They've been on my windowsill at home, so they're bent to the light. Can you see that? So I'll repot them. How many have I actually got there? I mean, more than enough, to be fair. You know what it's like, you're going to have a glut. Do you know what? I did think that apart from excess veg and maybe excess fruit as well. Valerie will definitely get some, but also maybe the food banks, anything excess. I have heard that some people do that, which I thought was actually quite a really good idea. So if I have lots of things that are real huge amounts, like runner beans, courgettes, Valerie can only eat so much, but I would definitely drop something around to her every day if she wanted it. Cucumbers, you know, that kind of thing. The things that we have plenty of ourselves that can't freeze, although you can freeze runner beans, but it'd be nice to share. There's always runner beans. You always get masses if you pick, especially as long as you pick them, because they're big ones. They're not that nice, are they? But I'll have to contact our nearest food bank and ask them if they're interested in that, because I don't think they do fresh veg normally. If you know of any food banks that do accept that, let me know. I mean, I'm obviously just because it's curious to see if they do it, because I've never asked them before. But it might be interesting to do that. Right, I'm gonna have to crack on and do some work. This is the wrong way round. Normally you have the coffee break at the end. I won't be having another one because otherwise I'm going to be talking like too much caffeine. Well, you know, to be honest, I probably will have another one, but what should I do? Oh, I do have a bag of wood chip that I need to just dribble over the paths on plot 25. I've been renewing my paths quite a lot last week, which was brilliant because we have a big pile of wood chip, but that's getting lower and lower. I've got streaming to do later. Repot those courgettes. I think I'll do that now, actually. Yeah, let's repot these courgettes. Job number one. If I can manage more than that. What's the time? Well, it's only 9 AM, so. Nice. Right, let's get on. See you in a minute. Okay, so I've got my courgettes, but what I did want to show was, look at this, it's as sweet as that. Jacqueline sent that to me. Thanks, Jacqueline, I really love that. That's going to go on my wall. It's so cute. Can I open it now? Yeah. Oh, good. So I've got a little thingy prepared. See, I saw this and thought of you. Love, Jax. Oh, thanks so much, Jax. That's so sweet. My little hedgehog friend. Where can I put it? There, look. Oh, that's really lovely. Oh, thanks, Jax. Right, let's crack on. Let's crack on. Wow. Right. Repotting these courgettes, the round ones. I can't remember what their technical term was, but that's what I'm going to go with, the round ones, because I can't remember. Yeah, going to repot them because they are all in one pot, as you can see. So, just got to try and get them out, to be fair. Should have bought a spoon. Ooh. Maybe this will do it. Just got to sort of try and retrieve one at a time, you know. Oh, that's good. That's one. Just move that to the side for a moment. Good roots, good roots. Can't believe it's going to be May soon. So I mean, the time absolutely just flies by. The last frost, Carol, you said, when's the last frost? I remember that on your on the last vlog. Well, for us, it's going to be somewhere at the end of May, but I think as you get through May, the frosts become less harsh, is what I've heard on the gardening grapevine. But horticultural fleece, always, yeah. So I actually got a new roll. I bought a new, because I'm running out. This was actually quite a good deal. It's 50 metres, and it wasn't far off the price wise from a 5 metre length roll. So 5 to 50 with only like less than £2 increase in cost. And it's really worth trying to sort of preserve when you do use fleece and then you don't need it anymore, to try to sort of fold it away for future use, because I've realised that now, how useful it is. Right, let's not forget to label these as well, otherwise I'm going to be in trouble. Have I got enough soil potting on compost? Oh, I've got some in this pot as well, I suppose. Do you know what I'm struggling with is getting them out after planting them in one pot. I don't want to break the stem. That'll be losing a courgette plant. I think I've got a fair idea where I'm going to put these. In fact, this Blackboard, I must paint that today, because that, I think, Mel, you sent me an email a long time ago, a while back, about how to plant, you know, like it had a small garden space, and it was really, they really focused on the planning of it. I think when they sort of drew out their plots, etc. It was really good. It was really good, honestly, and I really appreciated it. Might not have said so at the time. Sorry, my love. Distractions. But it did register, or what's the word? You know, when you planted a seed. Let's say that. So it's actually, I'm going to do that on this Blackboard, is to draw out where I'm planting things for this year. It could be my little drawing, because it's quite a nice big square, and I could try and yeah, actually that's a really good idea. So thanks for that, Mel. I hope Susie's well. I hope you're both well. Did you see my my drawing of the Cotswold cottage? I did stick it on Budget Cooking just because it was just something different. I uploaded yesterday, Sunday. This is going to go out on a Tuesday, everybody, but this is why I never know what the day is. That's number 2. Try and straighten them up a little bit. Put them there, put them all together, because we will label them. I do have some still left. I must get some more labels. So I do have 5 actually. Right. Oh geez. Whew. Tell you what, this shed needs a really good spring clean. I must do that soon. Oh, I'm overfilling it. What am I doing? See, good roots. Look at the roots. Oh, start again. It's going to go right to the bottom. So it needs some support. So I've just emptied it and then put the ball of root in, as it were. Yeah. I think I might just have just the right amount of soil, compost, potting compost. Right, we're getting there. Okay. It's a bit bent, this one. I'll have to get a little stick to kind of prop it back up, because I think in my windowsill it's sort of stayed. I do try to turn them. Right, last one. Woohoo! Right, this is good. I'm going to take this pot home, because I've got all my potting compost is at home. I'm talking of home. I know you might be wondering what's happening with the kitchen garden. Well, I tell you what, I mean, as everyone knows who lives in the UK, the weather's been absolutely unpleasant. We have had pockets of nice weather, but they always happen on days that I'm sort of just haven't managed to get out. And where I live actually is very windy, so the weather's been awful. That's a poor excuse, I know, but it's not conducive to going out and tackling the kitchen garden. But it's on the cards, because the weather's warming up, and yeah, I'm feeling the urge to sort of get out there. I've kind of buried this a little bit. Never mind. That's great. Really good. Let's water these, and then I'll label them. Right, let's do that now. I'm just going to water the trays as well. Right. Oh, labels. I've only got 3, but we'll know they belong to each other, if you see what I mean, because we know those 2 are them. Right, well, my neighbour's just right opposite. And you know me, I don't, it's interesting. She probably can't hear me, but if I'm hollowing at the camera, she probably can. Let's paint that Blackboard, and then it'll be ready to do a planner for the next time, for the next vlog. That'll be absolutely brilliant. yeah, let's crack on and do that. See you. It's going to be on time lapse. We did a bit of music. See you in a bit. Oops, ta-da, there you go. It's all right, isn't it? Right, it's got to dry before I obviously, I'm really looking forward to doing a planner on that. That would be absolutely amazing. Yeah, so I think I'm going to have to call it a day because it's getting busy. But it's been great, and thanks everybody who watched the live. That was really amazing. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.